Well, I think some of what we do now, a lot of young people or people who come into wealth quickly usually don't handle it well,
Yeah.
unless they come from money.
Yeah.
Many African Americans, because historically we haven't had the opportunity to manage wealth, okay? And I mean historically, I'm talking about in the last 50 to 100 years, okay? Many of us did not inherit wealth. Many of us did not see our parents or hear our parents talking about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or generational wealth. So when we finally come into that, we don't have a framework. We don't have the language and certainly not the discipline to be able to do sometimes the right things with our money. So what do? We overspend.
Yeah.
And that's what I did too my first year. So you have to live significantly below your means.
Yeah.
And then you take the difference, the third thing, and you invest it in something that will grow in value. Okay? Like the stock market, like real estate. And you do that over time, which is the fourth thing. People like you, man, people in their 30s and 40s, it's not hard to become a millionaire by the time you're 60. And by the way, 50 and 60 gets here really quick.
Fast.
Yeah, man, especially when you're raising kids and you're doing business and all that. But the bottom line, my biggest regret is that I should have been a little bit more aggressive from an investing standpoint when I was around 30, 35 years old.
Why weren't you aggressive?
Because I wanted to buy stuff and I was making a lot of money, and I fell into the trap that a lot of young people fall into, and that is me caring more about looking wealthy than being wealthy. Now, I'm not saying you can't look wealthy and be wealthy. I'm saying that if you concentrate on looking wealthy, you will hurt your chances of being wealthy. So in my early 30s, I was more concerned about looking wealthy.
Yeah.
And I wish I had not been that concerned.
Yeah.
By the time I got in my 40s, maybe my mid 40s, I didn't really care as much about what people thought of me.
Yep.
I mean, I still like nice stuff, but coming into money early, 20-something and 30-something, because I see it now, even in your generation and the young generation. I was like, man, they're doing the same thing that we
Nobody
did.
ain't telling you.
Yeah.
I now, right, I see these young kids, and I say young, I'm 37, but I see 20. As soon as they hit the money, they go get the new Lambo.
exactly.
They go get all. I literally am, slow down.
Yeah, man, they need to slow
slow
their roll.
down.
Yeah.
Also, make sure you can make that type of money for a year